Daddy's gonna burp you. See if we can get a big one.
This was the perfect transplant. I don't know, something feels different. Of course it does. It's like these new crazy core Skittles. This one's got watermelon on the outside, strawberry on the inside.
Burp big for us, baby.
Transplant the rainbow. Takes the rainbow. Unlock the door to it now, or could it? Who is it? I'll be Ryder with a Y, as in train rider.
It might not happen. He has a lot of gas. It's not coming out.
They want me to take the money down to the tunnel. What is really happening? You recognize this voice? I don't have anything to do with this. I'm Pal 123. Look up at your screen. Do you see what
I want to see this movie so badly.
This wasn't planned in the last 3 weeks. Everything doesn't appear like what it is.
Come on, baby. Burp, burp, burp in the camera.
When you get greasy fast food, what are you really getting? Try attempting new Tuscan chicken melt instead. Part of a Subway Fresh Fit meal. Subway, eat fresh.
Get it, bub. Get it. It's okay. You can burp.
The proud, the Marines. King of the Hill is brought to you by Snuggle Square.
Burp big.
Women, if they wear gloves, how do they
Show everyone that you're my daughter. Those big belches.
Was really something. I tell you what, Dale fights more like a girl than she did last night.
Oh, beautiful.
Joanne, I always hoped to give my old boxing gloves from the Y to Bobby, but, well, you know. Anyway, I'd be honored if you'd wear these in your next match.
Oh, Uncle Hyde. Every time I punch someone in the face, I'll think of you.
No burpins. Look at those pretty eyes, though. No burpins. Alright. Say love you, camera. Look at those beautiful lips. Kisses. Get the mama. Good time.